All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Ugly Spot Killer Shot. I got it right this time, so proud of myself. We got an ugly spot for you today, so check this out. It's got a circa 1980s feel to it. So we've got Haley here in a beautiful dress here. It's like a rags to riches kind of dress, I feel like. It's probably rags, but we probably paid like way too much money for it. Definitely not. All right, well, Haley's rocking it out. She's making those rags look good. All right, so how are we gonna make this a killer shot? Got to be able to change your environment. So I'm gonna use a 50mm lens, f1.2, but we're gonna bring in two strobes here. So I'm bringing in, let me grab this first one. We're bringing in an FJ200 just with orange gel on top of it for the background. So we're gonna, because it's glass, it's gonna be very reflective. So I wanna fire some orange in there. It just felt like with her brown tones, that's gonna look really good. And then what we're using for the key light is an FJ80 around a power setting of 5. Obviously giving you settings is meaningless because every environment's gonna be a little bit different, but we are using two lights for this to completely change the scene. Let's build it. So the first one, I'll show you what I'm gonna show you what it looks like without any light. I'm gonna show you what it looks like with just this in the background and then with the key light. So we'll build this together. All right, so Violet, let's get you behind. Actually, before I fire that, let's get just with nothing. She's a model and a key grip. She's multifaceted. All right, here we go. So this is it with nothing. Test shot, 1, 2. Okay, great shot, but it's kind of boring, right? Everybody can take that shot. So now let's church it up a little bit and we're gonna get you right behind her. Now, I am underexposing on camera about 2 stops, so we really darken the scene. So this is just with the orange light behind her. Okay, look off to your left a little bit. Here we go, 1, 2. Okay, so now we've completely changed the look of the scene, but obviously she's underexposed. Now we're gonna bring in this key light, which Brandy's holding, and this is going to be straight on, okay? And we can move it to the side, however you wanna run it. So here we go now, just to show you the light, test shot, 1, 2. Now we've completely changed the way the scene looks, right? So real quick, we were here, obviously I was testing this before we started rolling cameras, but within about a 5-minute window, we pulled up here, had some ideas on what we're gonna do to be inspired with it, and then started shooting. So now let's actually do something here. You ready? All right. You know, when you're building a team, it's not just, you know, being model and being a pretty face. Sometimes you got to do the dirty work behind the scenes and get this kind of stuff done. But
squatting for you.
Violet is squatting, she's burning calories, she's ready, she's getting in shape, and she's doing the work that no one else wants to do. How's that?
True.
Yeah.
It's all for the burger.
Love that. Yeah, let's mix it up. Love that. Go ahead, do your thing. Let's shoot through it, make sure I get the frame. Beautiful. Love it. Go hands on the hips. Love that right there. Love that, love that, love that. All right, now, I like it. That was easy, right? So just with some gels and some lighting, we can completely change the look of a scene. Now, I wanna try something a little bit different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on angles. So one other thing is you gotta understand angle in is angle out on lighting, right? Meaning, if I'm firing a light at a certain angle, if the camera's at that opposite angle, I'm gonna see the reflection. So you just have to understand how light and reflections work. Now what I really like are these lights that Violet's firing and they're coming straight across these streaks. They kind of look cool, drive you right through the frame. Kind of unanticipated, but I really like it, right? So Haley, roll that shoulder off here. Body's perfect. I want your face going hard there. Yep, right there. I love what you're doing. Bring your eyes back right a little bit. Right, nope, right there. Beautiful. All right, let's get this shot here. Let's see what we're looking at. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Just killer right out of the gate. Don't move, Haley. One more, 1, 2. Really like this. Okay, don't move. Alyssa wanted a little bit of an indie look. What were you thinking?
No lights. Or,
No.
Sorry, no orange, just the
Oh, just underexposed, no orange? I don't know if it's gonna look that way. Hold on. It's too boring. It's too boring for ugly spot killer shot.
You won't even shoot it?
All right, I'll shoot it. Get right there with it. Good, you're gonna look at me. Give me maybe hands behind the back here. Yeah, I love that, right there. It's a good look. You know what? Maybe you can make a guest appearance on Ugly Spot Killer Shot. I hate this shot, so I'm gonna stop shooting it. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you going into that corner, firing the strobe at us. Yeah, so go up high with it, yep. Tilt down, right? Well, it can't be your idea if it's my idea. You never vocalized your idea. No, it wasn't. All right, here we go. Fire right about there. And as suspected, my idea was a good idea. So
I was gonna say fire it into the
oh, were you? All right, I'm gonna let you take that shot. All right, scoot towards me, Brandy, so we get rid of that reflection. Violet, do me a favor, come closer, scoot in this way, and twist that light to me. Down, you wanna point it at that lens. Twist more this way, up, yep, good. Bring this hand up, because it's out of frame, maybe it's here, or it's grabbing your strap. Yeah, keep working it. Don't give up on it so quick. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Looking away towards that light. Yep, give me eyes. Love it. We got our killer shot, no matter what Alyssa said. Oh, okay. All right, fancy. Love that. Oh, love that.
Killer shot.
All right, and that is it. Hopefully we inspired you to get out there and try something different. It doesn't matter your location. With lighting, posing, composition, you can change that look. So we'll see you on the next episode. All right, so we've had a change of what's going on here. Producer has taken control of the set, and she's going to now officially try Ugly Spot, Killer Shot. Talk us through what you're doing, producer. Oh, you don't know if you're committed to it yet? You don't love it?
No.
You're quitting on this. We can't give up. It's no. It's did you say it's too hard?
No, harsh.
Oh, harsh. Sorry. I thought I heard her say.
Oh, that's B? This is B.
I thought I heard her say it was too hard. What did you hear? You know what she doesn't
never
want.
said that.
No, she said.
She's not.
Oh, she said.
That's what she said. Surrounded by women.
Did it go to...
They're all teaming
That's
against
your
me.
life.
It is my life.
That is your life.
And they all team against me. All of you. Let's go, Sincata.
I don't like that you had to film it.
This is like being on Creator Series.
Sincata versus Sincata.
Hey Siri, set timer, 10 minutes. Oh boy.
Lean back. Lean. They're going to roll into me. Yes. Light? Love. Yes, light for sure.
All right, you on to something, Chef? What you got? You just pick an angle. You change your angle. You won't see any of the background. You just go there and tilt in. All right. If you keep rotating around, see? Now you get rid of it. Yeah. Tilt it down a little more, Bryn. All right. Now we've got a killer shot going on right here. Violet just holding it on her hip like it's a 6-shooter.
Killer, 1, 2. Right at the camera. Chin up, looking up at the light almost. Bring your chin up though. Yeah, right there.
Done, dude.
Cool. Yeah.
Killed it.
Love it.
Come on, let's go. We're rolling here. Chef, tell us what's going on.
We got up on the wall and
You got some good stuff?
we found this really ugly spot and
Yeah.
we made a killer shot.
Ah, there it is. All right.
That's it. That's a wrap.
We'll see you in the next video.
Oh, sorry. We'll see you in the next video.